What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unwrap the Rap. Today, we are going to do something new on the channel. Welcome to our first official Mail Day vlog. Usually, you guys see the silent ASMR unboxing on this channel, but from now on, whenever we get a massive delivery box on the desk, we are going to get behind the scenes first and we are going to look at the packages, talk about where I sourced them from, dive into the specs, and many much round coming soon. So this new casting in front of us is Ford Mustang GT3 64 2024 IMS8 Daytona 24 hours for Multimatic Motorsport. This was sourced from Toy March here in India. So let's unwrap and see if the detail holds up the real racing beast.